You feel it, don't you? That tight knot in your chest every time you walk into a meeting and don't say what you really think, because the stakes are too high, the consequences too brutal. You see, working hybrid isn't just about where you show up, office, home, coffee shop. It's about what happens inside your head and inside your team's hearts. There's a ghost haunting hybrid work, and its name is silence. Silence born from fear, judgment, disconnection. It's invisible but deadly, choking innovation, killing momentum, turning leaders into strangers and teams into ticking time bombs. Why? Because psychological safety, the feeling that you can speak up without being crushed, is all but shattered the moment cubicles turn into screens. The hybrid world gave us flexibility, sure, but it ripped apart the raw human connections that held us together. Founders, investors, leaders like you wrestle with this every single day. Your face masks the chaos, burnout, frustration, mistrust. You see your brilliant people withdrawing, not because they want to, but because the system demands they hide their doubts, their fears, their boldest ideas, lest they be seen as a problem, a risk, a weak link, and you feel helpless watching it happen. But here is the brutal truth you can't escape. Without psychological safety, hybrid work isn't just failing, it's dying on its feet. The dream of powerful, decentralized teams ready to shatter norms is a lie if voices are silenced. If people freeze for fear of losing their jobs, respect, or relevance. No algorithm, no wellness program, no trendy platform can fix that hole in your culture. That hole is human, and it demands a raw, relentless, unapologetic fix. So here's how to rip out the poison and reboot your team's soul right now. Stop playing it safe. Stop pretending trust is built by casual check-ins or polite Zoom calls. Psychological safety isn't a perk. It's survival. You must hunt down every shadow of judgment lurking in your hybrid team's mindset and obliterate it. Challenge every leader to stop nodding and start confronting. No fudge, no appeasing. If someone says good job, make it mean something real. If they make a mistake, expose it as a goldmine of growth, not a death sentence. You want raw honesty? Demand brutal honesty. Build rituals where employees shout fears out loud, where confession isn't punished but celebrated. Second, rebuild connection like your organization's life depends on it, because it does. You cannot patch hybrid's wounds with slides and bullet points. You need deep, intentional moments of vulnerability. Create spaces, yes, digital or physical, that force real conversations. Ditch the group chat for something rawer, small pods, authenticity tests, live debriefs. Ask questions no one dares ask. What scares you? What's broken here? Who do you trust? And why? When people break their armor and speak truth, they craft bonds that even the coldest hybrid setting can't dissolve. Third, kill the illusion that inclusion is enough. It's not. The harshest, most overlooked trap of hybrid work is pretending different voices matter simply because they're present. It's a trap that produces noise but kills substance. True psychological safety demands a brutal meritocracy of ideas and feelings. Not everyone gets to lead the conversation. Only those brave enough to fight for truth and progress. Train your squads to spot groupthink like a predator. Encourage dissenters, crown provocateurs. You want innovation? Devour conformity. If you don't elevate every true disruptive voice, your team is just a collection of yes men masquerading as a hybrid powerhouse. And here's the wild card few talk about: leadership transparency. This isn't about slick communication or corporate pep talks. It's about exposing your own cracks and fears, showing that you too wrestle with uncertainty, failure, and the unknown every damn day. When founders show their scars, the team stops hiding theirs. You make psychological safety a rebellion against the polished, the perfect, the inhuman. This raw authenticity crafts a chain reaction. Trust spreads not because it's safe, but because it's real. You don't want followers who only seek approval. You want warriors who fight for the truth and collective growth. Also, stop relying on one-size-fits-all solutions. Hybrid work puts different people under vastly different pressures. Some drown in isolation, others in constant distraction. Psychological safety is not just the absence of fear, it's the presence of customized support that fits each individual like a tailored glove. Embed mental health practices as non-negotiable, but go further. Train managers to read invisible signals, to detect the tiny cracks before they become earthquakes. Provide flexible schedules that respect personal life boundaries. Make it clear, burnout isn't a badge of honor. It's a failure of your culture to protect its most valuable asset, human minds. And here's the kicker. Integrate psychological safety into performance, not as a feel-good bonus, but as a metric that commands your attention, like revenue or growth. Make teams accountable not just for hitting deadlines, but for how safe their environment feels. Reward leaders who cultivate bold dialogues, not just clean PowerPoints. Build feedback loops that catch the stubborn voices the system ignores. Because if psychological safety isn't baked into the core of your hybrid model, you're just dressing up a death march with fancy shoes. This isn't a drill. This is a battlefield for humanity itself. Hybrid work is the future, but only if leaders like you refuse to be puppets of tired, broken systems. You are architects of a new reality where barriers fall, where true freedom doesn't trap people in isolation, but liberates them. Where diverse minds clash, connect, and create the impossible. Psychological safety is your ultimate weapon, your foundation, your promise to your people, that every voice counts, every risk is honored, every individual matter. Refuse comfort, reject silence, demand truth. Build spaces where people can break down and build up again. This is the fight worth risking everything for, because in that fight, you don't just save a company or a workforce, you save humanity's chance to become more than it fears. The hybrid world doesn't have to suffocate innovation, it can set it on fire. But the torch will only burn bright if psychological safety leads the way. Get ruthless about it. Make psychological safety your unbreakable rule, your sacred mission, the oxygen of your hybrid culture. Because if you don't, the silence will consume you, the fractures will widen, and the potential you crave will vanish into thin air. But if you do, you'll unleash a storm of bold ideas, fierce loyalty, and unstoppable progress that no distance or screen can block. This is your call. Seize it with brutal, unforgiving passion. The world doesn't need another safe space. It needs a battleground for the brave. So ignite it or watch everything burn.